Happy 2021! Welcome back to a new episode of Learn with Yenn. Yay! Science experiments always make me feel happy because the outcome can be quite surprising, don't you think? This week, let me show you how can you make your own cloud in a jar. Are you ready? Come, let us get the things for this experiment. Wait! Have you asked your mommy and daddy or a grown-up for help yet? If you haven't, ask them to come and help you and do this experiment together.
We will need an empty jar, some hot water, some ice, a small metal bowl, or if your jar has a metal lid, you can use the lid from the jar. We will also need hairspray. Let us start by pouring the hot water into the empty jar. Next, put the ice in a metal bowl or jar lid and cover it on the jar. We will want to keep the lid on for a while. Now open the lid and spray a little bit of hairspray into the jar. Can you see the cloud?
You might be wondering, what formed a cloud? This is a process called condensation. A cloud is formed when water vapor condenses into water droplets that are attached to small amounts of dust, smoke, pollen, and other small particles in the air. When billions of these water droplets join together, they form a cloud. I hope you have fun creating your cloud. If the experiment didn't work for you the first time, you can always try again. After all, what is an experiment without failures? The most important thing is that you keep on trying and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. See you again soon. Bye!